My beloved child, listen closely to the words I speak to heal the pain within your heart. I am the compassionate Savior, and I have come to bind up your wounds and bring restoration to your soul. In my presence, there is comfort and solace beyond measure. I declare to you today that I am near to the brokenhearted. Your pain is not unseen, for I see every tear that falls from your eyes. Trust in me, for I have the power to turn your mourning into dancing and replace your sorrow with overwhelming joy. I speak life into your weary spirit. I am the source of hope that never fades away. Let my words penetrate the depths of your being and fill every crevice with my divine love. I am the divine physician, and I bring healing to your shattered heart. Release your burdens to me, for I am the one who can carry them for you. Do not dwell in the past, my child, for I make all things new. I offer you a future filled with hope and blessings. Have faith in my plans for you, even when you cannot see the way ahead. I will guide your steps and open doors that no one can shut. Trust in my timing, for I make everything beautiful in its appointed season. You are not alone in your pain, my dear one. I am your constant companion, your ever-present help in times of trouble. Call upon my name, and I will hear your cries. I will wrap you in my arms of love and bring peace that surpasses all understanding. Know that I am with you always, and my love for you is unchanging. Finally, my child, I urge you to guard your heart and fill it with my truth. Let my words be a lamp unto your path, guiding you towards righteousness and away from the snares of pain and bitterness. Embrace forgiveness and extend grace to others, just as I have extended grace to you. Through forgiveness, your heart will find freedom and healing. Take these words to heart, my beloved child. Let them be a balm to your wounded soul. I am Jesus, your loving Savior, and I am here to mend your brokenness. Trust in me, and I will bring healing, restoration, and a joy that knows no bounds.